Hey guys, are you want to buy best rust removers? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best rust removers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Coraseal Water-Based Rust Converter. The fact that the Coraseal Rust Converting Primer was created specifically for use in the huge marine industry speaks a lot about its quality. It's extremely effective and completely unique in its formula and performance. It uses an innovative water-based formula that chemically converts rust into magnetite rather than removing it. This way, the Coraseal eliminates the need to sandblast rust, making the process less tiresome and time-consuming. Plus, it primes the metal surface with a latex primer afterward. This product is suitable for all marine, automotive, household, and industrial rust problems. Simply apply it by brush in a heavy white coat with 8 to 10 mils wet film thickness. Make sure that no surface is showing through. Once you notice that black color appears, it means that the rust conversion has already started. Kick back and relax. The average coverage rate of this liquid rust converter is 200 square feet per gallon. And depending on your applications, you can choose a 1 quart, 1 gallon, and 5 gallon bottle. So, if you really want to extend the life of your metal equipment without putting in too much effort, get the Coraseal 82331 Rust Converting Primer. Now our second product is FDC Rust Converter Ultra. The Rust Converter Ultra from FDC is a good quality product that halts the existing rust amazingly well and prevents future corrosion with an ultra-durable protective barrier. As the name suggests, it converts rust to a stable, inert coating and seals out moisture to prevent corrosion. Hence, no sandblasting, grinding and scraping are required. The only thing you should do is prepare the surface by removing dirt, dust, and grease. After that, you should apply the product with a brush, roller, or pump sprayer. 1 bottle will be enough for 500 square feet provided that you use it on a smooth, non-porous surface. However, overly textured surfaces might require more product. Also, take note that for a complete transformation of very rusty surfaces, you may need to apply a second coat of the Rust Converter Ultra. Still, the coverage of this product is really impressive even if you need to apply a second coat. Most other rust converters cost more but last less. The last but not the least thing to mention is that although the converter acts as a primer, it will only protect the surfaces for a few months. For long-lasting protection of metal surfaces, you should seal the coating with any oil-based paint. The product is good for delivering rust treatment to automobiles, railings, structures, tools, boats, and more. It's highly efficient and can convert even the toughest rust and corrosion. Our third product is Evapo Rust Remover. If you're looking for an affordable product to keep your tools, cookware, or hardware rust-free, take a closer look at the Evapo Rust ER012. For less than $20, you can get a super effective rust remover that can make even tough rust disappear without scrubbing. But the best part is that it effectively eats any kind of rust while being absolutely non-toxic. It's an environmentally safe solution that is non-corrosive, non-toxic, non-flammable and includes no acids, bases, alkalis or petroleum solvents in its water-based formula. Plus, the product is completely biodegradable, which is an obvious benefit for eco-conscious users. The Evaporust can restore auto parts, cast iron cookware, chrome grill grates, gas tanks, steel tools, antiques, sewing machines, and other household items. And due to its gentle formula, it won't harm metals, rubber, PVC, plastic, paints, and unrusted steel. Speaking about the application, you'll need to rinse parts in water and then dip them into the clean Evaporust solution for a few hours. Once the rust is gone, rinse the stuff with clean water. At this point, you can also sand, prime and paint. All things considered, the Evaporust is a good option for getting small steel parts clean of corrosion. It's reasonably priced, completely safe for humans, and easy to use. What else to wish for? Now number 4, Zeon Lab 2-in-1 Rust Converter. Xeon Lab 2-in-1 Rust Converter is a game-changer for tackling rust problems effectively. This innovative product not only neutralizes rust but also prevents its recurrence, saving time and effort. Its unique formula works by converting rust into a stable, black polymeric coating, eliminating the need for extensive sanding or scraping. The converted surface acts as a primer, ready for painting, streamlining the restoration process. This rust converter is ideal for various applications, including automotive, household, and industrial projects. It adheres well to metal surfaces, ensuring long-lasting protection against corrosion. Unlike harsh chemical rust removers, Xeon Lab's eco-friendly, water-based formula is safe to use and minimizes toxic fumes, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Using Xeon Lab 2-in-1 Rust Converter ensures a durable, rust-free surface without compromising convenience or safety. Its ability to restore and protect makes it a reliable choice for maintaining the integrity and appearance of metal surfaces, extending their lifespan significantly. And our last choice is Oil Eater Overnight Rust Remover. Oil Eater Overnight Rust Remover is a highly effective solution designed to eliminate rust from metal surfaces effortlessly. Its biodegradable, non-acidic formula is safe for users and the environment, making it a go-to product for eco-conscious individuals. The remover works by submerging rusted items in the solution, where it penetrates and dissolves rust overnight, leaving a clean and smooth surface. One standout feature is its versatility. It's suitable for a variety of applications, from automotive parts and tools to household metal items. Unlike harsh chemical removers, Oil Eater doesn't emit toxic fumes, making it safe for indoor use. It's also reusable, which enhances cost-effectiveness. Performance-wise, the product excels in restoring metal to its original state, even on heavily rusted items. However, it requires full immersion, limiting its use to items that can fit in a container. Additionally, it works best on light to medium rust and may need multiple treatments for severe cases. In conclusion, Oil Eater Overnight Rust Remover is a reliable and user-friendly solution for restoring rusted metal surfaces, combining safety, efficiency, and convenience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.